Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, I've been gone. I've been gone for a little while. I have to take a little time back. I have to take some time back and reevaluate some things in my life and in my trading career. But I'm back. It's been about a week and a half. Um, I'm back. I'm feeling more confident than ever right now. And yeah, let's just get to it. Let's just get to it. Also, it's looking like we are going into hyper Bitcoinization. It's looking like it. Today is just going to be a crypto video. I see a lot. I see a lot and lots of trades um, about to happen. A lot of crypto is in a flag pennant. Not pennant. I'm sorry. Just a channel. A flags and channels. Flags and channels. But without further ado, let's get straight to it. Let's just get straight to it. All right. In news today, we have Moody downgrades U.S. credit rating impacting crypto markets. Moody's has downgraded the U.S. credit rating from AAA to AA1, citing increased deficits and rising interest expenses. This downgrade has led to a decline in major cryptocurrencies, with Ethereum, XRP, and Doge each falling by approximately 3%. Again, this is from a couple of days ago, but you can see, I'm not sure if this is live or not, but this is what they were saying. Yes, I believe this is live because it's this say 7% now. But anywho, let's move on. Let's move on. Bitcoin nears bullish golden cross amid U.S. debt concerns. So Bitcoin is approaching a golden cross, a bullish technical pattern where the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. This development echoes a similar pattern from late 2024, which preceded a significant price surge. I believe this was like on the night of the election. When I get finished reading, I'll jump right to it. The recent U.S. credit rating downgrade has intensified investors' concerns about fiscal sustainability, potential boosting Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge. All right, so let's just get on to Bitcoin just real quick. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know I use the 60-day moving average instead of the 50-day. So let's just get to it. Let's get to it. Of course, that's all paper trading. Nothing to see there. So I believe they track this on the daily. And yeah, so my cross happened right here. So my yellow is the 60-day, and of course my red is the what do you call it, 200. Actually, it doesn't cross on mine. The only cross that I had was back in what was this? Oh wow. What was I looking at earlier? Man, the last cross is looking like, guys, this was the last cross? Come on now. February 2023. If you would have got in this area when price was 20K, This is the death cross right here. This is the death cross. So you mean to tell me that if I would have gotten in 2023 around this area, let's just say March 10th, 2023, when it was below $20,000, because that's the only one that I see. That's the only one that I see. That's the only one that I see. Wow. And that's on a daily. What does the weekly look like? Weekly probably even further. It never did it on a weekly. Never crossed on a weekly. What about the 12-hour? Do we have a 12-hour golden cross? We do right here. So that's good. Then again, they did the same. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But let's just get back to it. Let's get back to it. U.S. Congress considers Genius Act to regulate stablecoins. The U.S. Congress is poised to vote on the Genius Act, a bill that would establish a regulatory framework for stablecoins. The legislation aims to require stablecoin issuers to maintain liquid reserves and adhere to anti-money laundering and anti-terrorism finance protocols. If passed, this would mark a significant step in cryptocurrency regulation. So that's all bullish news. That's all bullish news. Bullish news. Bullish. Bullish. There's been a lot of news coming out today and over the last few days. All right. Let's look at Coinbase. They did have a hack last week. But let's get back to it. So Coinbase acquires Deribit for 2.9 billion with a B to expand in U.S. crypto options market. Coinbase has agreed to acquire crypto options exchange Deribit for 2.9 billion in cash and stock. The strategic move marks Coinbase's significant expansion into the U.S. crypto options market, potentially enhancing its product offerings and market reach. All right. So that's the news for today. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to put out some signals. So, and the good thing about these signals is that everything is on a 6 hour. We got the first one is on a 12-hour. And everything else is on the 6 hour. Everything else is on the 6 hour. So let's look at it. This is on the 12. Let's see if this can. See, Aave is doing the same thing that Bitcoin is doing right now. So let's see something. Let's look on the 6 hour. I like that 6 hour better. It's a lot more touch points on the 6 hour. Yeah, so let's change that in my notes. So, yeah, so this is Aave. Let's start this from the, I think it would be something like this. Then put that on the top. Let's say right there. So yeah, so this is definitely a good one right there. What percentage is this? About a 24 percent uptick. So gain, or whatever you want to call it. So this is for Aave. This is for Aave. Yeah, it crossed out this what is this? The two day trend line. Boom, boom, boom. It started a range. Now it's doing a continuation. Now it's doing a continuation. All right, now let's move on to XTZ. There. And let's bring this up to the bottom, to the top. And I'm guessing it's going to break out somewhere like around here. Ooh, that's a golden cross right there. But it's not, it's on the 6 hour. But it's still a cross. It is still a cross. And it's in a bullish flag or pennant, whatever you want to call it, channel. So yeah. This is the entry and TP. Let's see, it's about 60 cents. This might be a lot. Nah. Yeah, I'll say right there. Yeah, I like that right there. However, you are supposed to, say for instance, I get in on a 6 hour, track it to the 12 hour. Yeah, so that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, moving on to BAT. Whatever this is, basic attention. Don't know what it is. However, it is a US based crypto. All of the US based crypto, I have it up here. So everything in this first list is all US based. Which everything is in this channel, basically, as you will see. So let's get this back up. Boom, boom, boom. Like so. Bring that breakout to like something like that. And should be looking at close to about another 30%, 25, 27%. It's looking good. Blur. That's don't mind me how I make my trend lines. I honestly don't know where to put this one. Sometimes it helps to go on a higher time frame or maybe even a lower time frame. I don't like that. Okay, yeah, that's good. So yeah, Blur is looking similar as well. So of course, let's get this up. Let's get this up. Breakout could possibly be somewhere around it, right in there. There's something a little bit more. Excuse me, a little bit more. All right, let's look at injection. Injective. I'm sorry. All right. As you see, I stopped write my trend lines because when I went through like the first five, I'm like, wait a minute, it's all in the same pattern. It's all in the same pattern. That's a good one like that. That's a good one right there, coach. Boom, boom. Don't mind my weirdness. My wife tell me all the time how weird I am. All right, all right, all right. Again, let's just continue to do what we've been doing. And of course, somewhere around here. Boom, boom, boom. And this is about almost a 50% move right there. And that can potentially take what? That's the 12. That can take about a week. That's about a week move. I think that's about a week move. Get 50% on your money back. All right, Algorand. Algorand. Boom, you see it already. You see it already. You know, somebody asked me, why don't I have this stuff ready before the video? And I basically said, because I want things to be authentic. Show you guys how I go, how I pick trades and things like that. It's not just all talk. Everything that I show you guys is everything that I do. How I'm finding the TP. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Let's move on. Let's move on. Boom, like that. And by the way, this is a 2-day breakout right here. Well, the 2-day trend line. This is a 2-day trend line. All right, so yeah, another 30% right there for Algorand. H bar looks exactly like Algorand. It looks exactly like it. Let's see if this was the right one to use. Like that. Yeah, I like it. From the beginning of the move, my wood, technically I would use this one, but I don't know. I don't know where I'm using it. But here we go again. The breakout should be somewhere around there. Make that a little smaller. Entry, TP. 26% for Algorand. I mean for H bar. Jupiter. What do we have here? What am I trying to do? And also, you know, I do a live so you guys can see how quick you can I was about to say comp, but chart. Back in my real estate days, comping properties. It's basically I'm comping this this crypto. I don't really like this trend line much. I don't really like that. That's better. That's better. All right. Yeah. From the bottom to the top, and then I use the top one right here. I I don't know. I don't know, guys. But let's just move this over somewhere like that. Make this a little smaller. Entry. TP. Yeah, that's a good TP actually. So around this area, it's a good TP. This is a good TP. That's a good TP right there. All right. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. So that's Jupiter, Uniswap. Look at that. It's in a channel, flag, and it's a double bottom. And as you see, everything is on the 6 hour. Everything is on the 6 hour, bro. Put that entry right at that trend line. All it's doing is just doing a retest. Entry, TP, 46%. All right, AVAX. AVAX. Boom, boom. Let me try to do it the other way. So I'll say it'll be something like that. Let's see how close I am. Oh, I'm pretty dang on close. Yeah, me. I hope you guys can hear me. Man, I was pretty close. I was pretty close. So just for that, I'm not even going to move it. I'll just put that down a little. Yeah, I'm just going to use it right there. The entry, TP, 35% on AVAX. Where am I at? XRP. What was I doing up right here? What was I doing right here? This is on a higher time frame. What does this look like on a higher time frame? Nah, was that on us? Okay, so yeah, let me take that out. Take this out. Take this out. It's amazing what little lines can do. How you can see when just little lines. How you can see when just little lines, man. All right, so I would like to use this one. I'm going to use that one. like so. The breakout should happen, somewhere around here. Entry TP 23% for XRP. Ondo. And this is just clear as day. Just clear as day. So what I want from you guys, I need you guys to just look at the charts. The more you look at the charts and understand how price moves and price action, the easier you will become profitable, better trader. I believe you, with me, I learn better when I'm doing something over and over and over again. So what I did for trading, how I taught myself how to trade, I basically just looked at the charts. Even though I'm swing trading, what I was doing, and I was just staying on the charts, just staying on it. And I believe that's the best teacher. It's just to see how stuff is, that's 30%, how stuff moves in the market. That's it. Like, yeah, my charts can be a little cleaner. Do I need these? No. But however, if I did not have these, I believe my charts would be a lot messier. Because once price goes through these fair value gaps, they get deleted. If I was making my fair value gaps with just the box, I would have to go in there every day or, every so many hours to take it out. So, all right, let's look at SUI. Let's look at SUI. So, as you can see, SUI is looking damn good. So boom, boom, boom. Put that like somewhere like that. Now I just want to see this real quick. Let's use this one. Hey, that look good if you ask me. Basically, from this move, this poll included this in here as well. So that's why these two are, a couple of cents off. That's 15 cents. What is that? And that's 9 cents off. It's 9 cents off. So that's good. That's good. What is this? 22, 25? That's 30. That's another 30%. This is why people like meme coins. Is comp on here? Yes. Also, this is giving you guys a chance to look to just see how crypto lines up with one another. Mind you, this is all on the 6-hour chart. I know some of you guys may be asking, well, what happened to the 3-day? What's going on? I see your time frames are all different. Yes, I changed it around. If you would like to know why, just shoot me a question, comment, and ask. I mean, it's just simple as that. Closed mouths don't get fed. And based on my trading strategy, this is what I found what works best. I spent some time. I spent hours actually. No matter if it was on replay mode or just in a live market, I spent some time over the last week and a half. You know, perfecting it, get used to it, things like that. What is this going to be? Another 30? Yep, another 30%. ADA. Of course, it's locked. Because you should always lock your things. Boom, boom, boom. And then you pull it from the bottom right there. That looks good right there. Excuse me. I mean, I just love trading. Like now that I know what I'm doing, trading is like once you learn how to trade, you're going to be mad at yourself. That's 27. You're going to be extremely mad at yourself. Like, what have I been doing my whole life with this trading stuff? Now, this one, it's a little different. A little different for me. I wanted this brings it's going to bring us to the trend line. About 15% floor flare. ETH. I wonder if this. There it is. That's it. And I urge you guys, once you guys learn trading, teach it to your kids, teach it to everybody you know. I'm about to go on a 37% run. And to be honest, all of this stuff still haven't been to the all-time high yet. Most of everything that we discussed today haven't even it's not even close to all-time high yet, and that's the beauty of it. Bitcoin, did we really go through Bitcoin? Oh man, it's up. Is this the same one? No. So what we gonna do? We gonna take that like that. That's how we gonna do that, coach. And then put that on the top. Then boom, 118. We're surging to 118, guys. We're surging into 118. And then what I believe what's going to happen after 118, we're going to range. And then after that, go to 130. Then range. Then go to 150. I'm actually checking something. Took a screenshot on a video. So look at these numbers. Well, I know you guys can't see, but it has for Bitcoin 129K for June 7th, 147K for June 23, 173K for July 11th, 179K for July 26th. Basically, what this person did was got the movements from gold and put it onto Bitcoin because Bitcoin tracks it's like 3 months behind or something like that. Yeah, so that is the numbers for Bitcoin. All right. And what are we looking for right here? A nice 10%, 11% move coming from this breakout. That should be happening anytime. Look at the volume. This breakout should be happening anytime with between what is that 1 o'clock and brain fart 7 o'clock. 7 plus 2 is 12. I mean 9. So yeah, between 1 o'clock today and 7 p.m. today, things should be looking good. All right, let's move on to Solana. Is this did I do this right? Did I? Put it like that. $25% coming for Solana. Sheep. Yeah, I do have Sheep on here. What I don't have is Pepe. All right. So, this one is a little different. I think this is the right one because you got you got the 3 touches. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going with that one. And it looks more like a flag. On the safe side, we're just going to choose this one. Let's move this up. Let's move it. Oh, did it just spike up a little bit? I think it did. Another 30% move for Sheeb. Now Pepe been going crazy. Pepe has been going crazy. I have to add this one in. I wasn't planning on talking about it, but I'm gonna add this one in. Pepe has been going crazy. Bring that somewhere to like that. Look at that. Pepe has been going crazy. We got a 50% move coming for Pepe. And I do have Doge on here or Dog E. Look at that. I mean, wrong thing. It's like when you don't have enough money to get in all of these trades to make good moves, it feels just as bad as losing money, in my opinion. Because you're thinking like, hey, I'm leaving all this money on the table. Leaving all this money on the table. But guess what? The stock market ain't going nowhere. The stock market isn't going anywhere. Doggy got a 40%. Oh, I do have Pepe on here. Cool. And then I got Tron. But I got a lot of trades on here for y'all. Where we at? I know this video is probably about an hour long so far. 13% for Tron, Dot, and Litecoin. Do I really? Well, some people might say yes. Like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go right there. I'm not gonna be too greedy now. Somewhere like that. And what do we have for that? Can we get like a 15, 20%? 32%. All right, and last but not least, Litecoin. Litecoin got more of a cleaner setup. It's more of a cleaner. All right, and let's see what we have. We have a 26% move incoming. So that was today's video. Very intensive, very intensive on finding you guys trades. If my math is correct, that's what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I gave you guys 25 trades to get into. Now, possibly today, basically all week, I gave you guys 25 signals. All on a 6 hour, basically. At least just take one. I mean, I'm giving this. People charge for this type of stuff. They charge a weekly fee to get these signals. I'm not charging anything. At least not right now. At least not right now. I'm not charging anything. But yeah. This is it for this video. You've been watching and listening to We Here Now. Please like, share, subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. X out. Peace.